Alright, if I'm given 2 points but no slope, in other words, I'm told that these 2 points pass through a line, or a line passes through these 2 points, the first thing I need to do is find the slope. I can't use point-slope form until I find the slope. Once I've found the slope, then I can use point-slope form, which is what I used in the last example. That's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, that means that in this situation we want to write the equation of a line that passes through the points 5, negative 2, and 2, 10. The first thing I need to do is use the slope formula, which tells me that m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula that we learned in section 2.2. I'm going to define my points. The points of the coordinate points of the first point 5, 2 are 5 and negative 2. So x1 is 5, y1 is negative 2. For my other point, 2 is x2 and 10 is y2. I've defined my points, so I plug them in. y2 is 10 minus y1 is negative 2. So 10 minus negative 2. x2 is 2, sorry. x2 is also 2. x1 is 5, so it's 2 minus 5. x2 minus x1. 10 minus negative 2 is the same thing as 10 plus 2, so I have 12. 2 minus 5 is the same thing as, or is negative 3. I need to simplify this fraction. I always should simplify every fraction. So 12 over negative 3 is the same thing as negative 4. Both of these are divisible by 3, so I get 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is negative 1, so it becomes negative 4. And that's my slope. I use my slope and I use my point because I already have a point. x1, y1 is 5, negative 2. So I use my point and I get point-slope form, which says y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now I use the information that I've gathered to solve this equation. y1 is negative 2, so I've got y minus negative 2 equals m is negative 4 times x minus x1 is 5. I need to distribute. That's my next step. On the other side, I'm going to go ahead and change y minus negative 2 to y plus 2 just to make life a little bit easier. On the other side, negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. My next step is to solve for y. So I subtract 2 from both sides. That leaves y on the left. Negative 4x plus 20 minus 2 is plus 18. So my equation is y equals negative 4x plus 18.